Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can multiply in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got some products, the prices of those products, and the quantity of which has been sold of those products. So what I'm going to do is look to times the quantity by the price. So what I'm going to do is head over here and do equals, then select the price. Then we're going to times it, so we're going to use the asterisk sign in Excel to get the times option. And then I'm going to select the quantity, and then as simple as that, I've now got the total. So for the 96 bananas sold, we've made £120 from that. And now what I'm going to do to get the remaining totals for strawberries and oranges is just simply drag on the right hand corner, and we can see there that we've got £135 made for strawberries from 54 boxes of strawberries sold, and £244 from oranges sold. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to work out the totals of things or whatever it might be that you've got as a task to complete. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.